Hey everybody, I'm here today with a video tutorial on the Canon Pixma TR4522 printer. In this video tutorial, I'll be showing you and telling you how to put in ink for the first time. Once again, this is a super duper easy printer tutorial, so let's get right into the video. So you have your printer, it's brand new, just like mine is, and it comes with these two sort of starter ink cartridges, okay? I believe that they are starter ink cartridges as far as I understand. Now, in order to put these in for the first time, it's actually really easy. You want to start off by opening the front door, which is sort of where the paper is loaded in one option for loading in the paper, and then this is where the paper comes out of, over here, the output for the paper. And then there's an additional door that you can pull down, okay? And when you've pulled down that door, you'll see that it literally says color and black, okay? So you can actually install the ink cartridges in those spots, okay? So color goes on the left side, black goes on the right side, okay? When I first got the printer, the actual cartridge holders were actually right over here in the middle, sort of lined up with this. Now they're over here, so I don't think that makes a difference, but basically the color ink cartridge is gonna go on the left side and the black one's gonna go on the right side. And if you look right there closely, I'll try and zoom in. Sorry about this, there's a little mark on the camera, I'm sorry about that. You can see that it actually has these little spots with all these connectors. Those connectors are gonna line up with the connectors on your ink cartridges. So if you take a look at the ink cartridges over here, you can see the connectors are going to line up with those ones over there. So we're going to start off by removing the I've already opened the packages, and we're going to remove the actual little like sticky tab. I'm going to try and do this with one hand over here. Okay, so we're going to once again remove the little sticky tab right over here. Perfect. And then we're actually going to install the ink cartridges, okay? So we're gonna start off with this one right here. This is actually the color ink cartridge. So what you're gonna do is make sure your connectors line up with those over there, okay? And you're gonna sort of slide it in and sort of notch it upwards as you slide it in. Now this is actually the first time that I've ever done this. I've read instructions, I've watched tutorials, and I've installed many ink cartridges, probably hundreds to be honest with you, but I've never done it on this specific printer. So once again, the color goes on the left side, so I'm gonna go to the left side right here. I'm gonna slide it in place, okay? And I'm gonna just sort of slide it upwards and push it in. Okay, we're gonna try that one more time. So I'm gonna I think I'm a little too low right there. There we go. Slide it in place, and I'm gonna push it inwards like that. There we go. I'm holding onto the printer just for added support, because you gotta give it a decent push. Not really hard, but a decent enough push. Okay, then now we're gonna get the black ink cartridge right here, the black and white ink cartridge, which goes on the right side. So once again, I'm gonna sort of slide it into place like this. The contacts are facing the back of the printer, and the label is facing up. I'm going to slide it into place. I'm holding onto the printer for grip, and I'm just going to push it in and upwards at the same time, just like that. That's it. When you're done, you just close that primary door, and it's going to load them up. That's it. That's how to install ink for the first time in your Canon Pixma TR4522 printer. This will also work, as far as I understand, for the majority of the TR4500 series printers, because there are many different printers with different specific model numbers, but that sort of work in a very similar way. So if you have a different version of the TR4500 series printers, it's likely going to be very, very similar to how this works. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.